Welcome to this guided meditation. I'm Dana Humphrey, life coach, and welcome to the morning. I'd like to welcome you to this day and welcome you to this meditation. So if you can just find a comfortable seat, ideally sitting with your back vertical and your sits bones on the earth. You can be on a chair or a bed or a mattress or the floor. And just get comfortable, relax into your body. Take a deep breath and let it out with a noise. Just continuing to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just listen to the birds, tune into the noises around you, and allow yourself to gently close your eyes. The birds are out, chirping, communicating with each other, and the sun has risen to provide warmth and nutrients to the planet. Just take an inhale and inhale that beautiful, pure sunlight. Allow it to nourish your body. And then exhale anything old and stale that's no longer serving you. Allow the gentle nature noises to caress your ears and allow your mind something to tune into. There's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to stress about. You're here, you're safe, and for the next few minutes, this time is completely yours. So just relax. We're going to go through the body and relax the body part by part. So take a deep breath into the crown of your head, the very tippy top of your head, and see if you can just allow that your crown to be pulled up towards the sky. As you inhale, just check in with your crown, with the top of your head, that beautiful purple violet chakra. And welcome in any angels or guides that would like to be with you today. Just feel that imaginary string pulling you straight up so you have a nice straight spine. And then let's go check in with our third eye, that bright light right between your two eyes in the middle of your forehead. Beautiful purple light surrounding you and allowing you to tap into your intuition. Just breathe into that glow, into that space. We'll take another breath into our throat chakra, beautiful blue. This area helps us with our communication and owning our truth. So just allow that beautiful blue light to swirl in and around your throat, caressing your chin and your neck. And then take a deep breath into your heart, bright green light, abundant and full, radiating all around you, bright green. And breathing into the yellow, our happiness center, our self-worth, our confidence. Just give our bellies, our upper belly some loving. You can put your hand on your belly. Just feel the warmth and comfort from your hand and your own touch. Just thank your solar plexus for being there, for supporting you. Moving down into breathing into the orange, our joy. Just breathing in and out, allowing it to be there. And then take a deep breath, deep down into your root chakra, in between, underneath your navel, in between your hips. Imagine a dark red swirl of maroon earthiness grounding you to this amazing planet. And just take that energy and push it all the way down, 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 beneath your seat, beneath where you're sitting, rooting you down, down into the depth of the core of the earth. Deep, deep red. Just imagine all the colors of your rainbow chakra from down from the earth to up to the sky. Feel your connection between the planet and to the stars. Just realigning and realizing that you're all of it. Air, water, fire, and earth. All in one, all right here. Just keep breathing. And imagine the beautiful colors flowing down from purple to blue to green to yellow to orange to red. Just stay here for a few moments in quiet serenity, imagining yourself being pulled up and down all at the same time, grounded and ascension. If a thought comes, you can just let it pass by like a cloud in the sky. checking back in with your breath, noticing that you're breathing. You can continue to just appreciate your chakras being in balance and the beauty, the ability to check in with yourself and your breath and your chakras at any time. And just thanking yourself for waking up this morning and spending time with yourself. Just taking a few more breaths here. Just think about what you're grateful for. Gratitude can really shift your perspective into remembering what's beautiful and whole in this life. Sometimes we think things are not going our way, and there's always something to be grateful for. So just think about one thing that you can be grateful for today. Maybe it's that the sun is shining or that you have breath. Just focus on that one thing. And with that, I send you on your way to enjoy one more day. Thank you for joining me. This is Dana Humphrey, Life Coach, all rights reserved, 2020. Thank you.